everyone, very warm welcome to my channel. Before I start today's review, I just wanted to quickly introduce myself to those who are watching my video for the first time. I am Konkona and I'm the creator of styletravelandmore.com, which is my website, and you are watching me in my YouTube channel Style Travel and More. So today I am back with another review, and this time I'll be reviewing this product from Kiko Milano, and this is Eyebrow Sculpt Automatic Pencil. So as I do, I'll start off with a close view of the product and then I'll let you know how I use it, and then I'll try to critically analyze its performance. So this is how Kiko Milano Eyebrow Sculpt Automatic Pencils packaging look. And as you can see, I have bought shade number 06. Let me show you the product. So this is a two-headed pencil, and this side contains a spoolie brush and this side contains an eyebrow pencil, and as you can see, it has a triangle shape. Hope you can see it. I'll show you how this product gets applied in the later part of this video. So I start off preparing my eyebrows by brushing it with this spoolie brush, and when it is aligned, I use this pencil to draw the outline as well as to fill in. Now I do not like any visible pencil strokes on my eyebrows, so after filling it in, I again use the spoolie brush to smoothen any pencil strokes and also to even out any unevenness. So now it's time for some quick insight. First thing which I like about this pencil is the shape of this product, which is triangle, and because of this shape it is very easier to draw thin precise lines. In next shot I'll quickly show you how I draw thin and precise lines. So now I'll quickly show you how I create thin lines with this eyebrow pencil, and as you have seen earlier, it has a triangle shape. So I'll just take it and create lines. Hope you can see it. Now second thing which I like about this eyebrow pencil is its texture. There are two things which I like most about the texture. First thing, that it is non-creamy, and second thing is it is non-brittle. Now you must be thinking why non-creamy is a good factor. Imagine if this product would have been creamy and soft. Once it is coming in contact of my eyebrow hairs, it would have been eroded easily and it would have left residue. Now because it is non-creamy, it doesn't erode very easily and doesn't leave any residue on my eyebrows. Now as the texture is also non-brittle, I need not get afraid that while applying and creating thin lines it will break on my eyebrows, and at the same time I get little support and my application become really steady. Also the pigment is appropriate for creating natural finish, and at the same time this product is waterproof. Now the attached spoolie brush really helps to even out any unevenness and also to smoothen any visible pencil strokes, as I have told you earlier, and by doing that it really helps to give a finish which is naturally enhanced. Now to sum up, the compactness of this product, that is spoolie brush and the eyebrow pencil coming together, has made this product more practical and useful. So yes, that was a quick review about this Eyebrow Sculpt Automatic Pencil from Kiko Milano. You can also read about this product in my website styletravelandmore.com. I have mentioned the website link in the description section. And before I close this video, I just wanted to thank you for asking me so many questions. I feel really happy about that. So keep asking questions. Sometimes it gets a bit delayed to answer your question, but it doesn't mean I'll not answer. So please feel free to ask me questions. And if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, please do subscribe. Thanks for watching.